When you execute the command Bootrec, you may encounter the following error. If you're having the same problem, here's a video to help you fix this. Now, one way to fix this error is to perform an automatic repair from the Windows recovery environment. And in order for you to do this, perform an automatic repair from the Windows recovery environment. To do that, shut down your PC, press the power option, and repeatedly press F11, or the key specific to your manufacturer, to boot into your Windows recovery. Now in Windows recovery, select Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options, and click Startup Repair. After restarting, choose your user account, enter your password, and Windows will diagnose and fix any issues, preventing it from loading. Next up, run the Bootrec Fixboot command using an installation media. Do it by creating a backup of any data on your USB storage drive, then connect it to your PC. After that, open Command Prompt, type disk part, press Enter, type in list disk, press Enter to view connected disk. Then you have to note your USB disk number. Now you have to enter select disk and then the number, press Enter, then type clean to erase all data. Once done, close disk part, then press the Windows key, search for Disk Management, locate your USB, right-click, choose New Simple Volume, and then complete the wizard. Now when the USB is ready, right-click on it, and select Mark Partition as Active. To create a USB bootable drive, download any ISO to USB tools out there, connect it, then in Windows Setup, click Next, repair your computer, choose Troubleshoot, select Command Prompt, then type in Bootrec, then type in the following, then press Enter. Now after completion, type Exit, disconnect the USB, and then restart your PC. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.